For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Kaseng Kongres saksi tok ding jong katayo kala penpau bawa laki MLA jong ka kala pet seng lut. Hendrai ha kejaka kini kinong mi kemat on sami bujili no deki weipat ke benekon ki election MLA ke banwan ha kesenam arhajar arpulai. Berkeseng Kongres kan sapen benaru e ketup Kyrteng jong ki saupo Ngut ki Kyrtong ha ka wat ke benengkong ki bani aireng ki election MLA ke banlong ha kesenam banwan. Presiden Kameglai Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala habai keran beginong patai kubor ulaong bahaka arp kendai terik mataun opera arajar arpuar. Ka MPCC kan sapa ke Kyrteng jong kisah pongut ki Kyrtong syaka All India Congress Committee na kebenta wani ojeng menjur. Ulapan pawe ke jengkerman bakaseng Kongres kan penyang Kyrtong habaro andrup hautuli ki constituency jong kejela. Uba Vincent H. Pala ulaong bawa kaseng kamdan wat weu MLA bomenta banekon ki election hakasenam arajar arpulai. Hendrai ke Kongres ke sengau skam na markidan ki MLA barem bat ki MDC ke ban mi bujeli banekon nak seng Kongres hakan ki election. Nalor kani ulaong bakumba sanpo hado sanpusan nak sispa ki MLA jong yang dorbar tawan ke Meghalaya ki rem haman laki election kumba pau haman laki election jong kejela. Ula pentip bru bak All India Congress Committee kala itu bat menjur bantau ya ka Meghalaya Pradesh Election Committee bat Presiden jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC unlong chairman Dr. Celestine Lengdo unlong chairman jong ka Campaign Committee bat uba pencengan NCM unlong chairman jong ka Research and Monitoring Committee. Nalor kani uba Vincent H. Pala ulong bakinong yalam ke BJP na Delhi bat Meghalaya kila syukur bat penbiat i padba ke jela. Na kebukular ban pak toket halor kijing kena bamsap jong ke sorkar jela bat kumjuru ban wengno na ke sorkar senrop lang ke MDA. Uni unang yalam ke Kongres ulabu jingkeli Shenu kija ke Directorate of Enforcement bat ke CBI. Kiba ke BJP kala kular ban pak toket persya ya ki kam bamsap jong ke sorkar MDA. Bat kinong yalam ke BJP kala kular ru ban syak ban ti doyong biang hapo sispa propose ngi. Hendrai gini kijing kular kala syukut tang ha ketien. Uba Vincent H. Palau la kena ru ba omtang bagi BJP kanang ban syukur gi patba. Ndrai wat ka sengsan partai NPP ru kala syukur bat penbiet gi patba ka jela. Kam tam ha kabayadai ba ka jingkentiu ka yok kam yo jam gi samla. Ndrai haduk menta ka jela ka hiar arsut habe nujor bat ki waipat ki jela.
So in our manifesto we have decided that the moment the Congress comes to power, all leakages when it comes to revenue will be blocked. And revenue that is supposed to come through tourism, that also will have a special committee. If we have to study the examples of other states like Sikkim, or if we have to study the example of Bhutan, where tourism really benefits the local people, unlike what is happening now in Meghalaya, where every tourist who comes, the tourist vehicle itself is hired from Assam. The food itself they pack from Assam. So all that we get is only the garbage that is left behind. So the Congress party will look into it and convert the tourism potential of the state into a real revenue generating activity for the people. Then the next one that we concentrate is the unemployment. So when we talk of unemployment, the youths are the main target group that we plan to help. So through entrepreneurship programs, through hand-holding programs, instead of wasting money in so many activities like festivals, this and that, we can utilize those funds and redirect them into helping our youths to stand on their own feet by starting maybe small-scale industries or cottage industries. By hand-holding them, we can always create employment for them. Also, the issues of delay in filling up vacant posts in the government. In the recent past, we have seen how the youths who have participated in the written test, physical test for the enrollment in the police department, till now nothing has happened. So the Congress party will take care that these things will be done in record time, in a short time. All the vacant posts that are lying, we will fill up. Then the issue of women empowerment. We have seen so many schemes that have been doled out by the present government. Too late and too little. The Congress, if it forms the next government, all the schemes that are meant to be given to help the women, to help the youth, will be done in time, not late. For example, one of my friends has told that if the piglets were distributed 2 years ago, by now, those beneficiaries would have had 10 to 15 piglets out of those. But giving out things just before the election, this is just a wasteful expenditure of public money.
The first list of candidates, I think once the election commission announce the election, then we will do it. But on 29th of this month, the first meeting of the Pradesh Election Committee will sit, and then 40 names, hopefully on those days, we will let you know who are the names which we are recommending. This time we decided that whatever we recommend we'll be recommending to the AICC, we will not hide, we will have a transparency, so we'll give you the names. So on the 29th, we'll be having a meeting, and definitely we'll give you the names and the biodata, so all of those we are preparing for that. So tentative on 29th, the names from PEC, from MPCC will be finalized and sent to Delhi, subject to their approval. The names, the candidates will be declared by AICC, but we will not hide from you. We can give you all those names which we will be forwarding to AICC. Yeah, you are right. Because lots of poaching of our young boys, not only at the candidate level, even at the workers level, at the district president level, and even at the block level. So we try to lie low, but there's a limit for us when to lie low. So that's why we lie low for sometimes. But I think enough time, another 2 months, the election is there, will come out very strongly on social media. So, and the youth which we have trained and all, which I said, we will form a team, and then we already form a team, and then it will be disseminated to all the block level and the district level. So the mainly responsibility of the youth is at the war room, where we will give to all the concerned block levels and the district levels.
So will the Congress field candidates in all 60 seats? Or?
Definitely we will field all the 60 seats, but we may short 1 or 2, I don't know, but our intention is that we will fill all the 60 seats.